Hi creatives, you're welcome back to Westside Creation. In today's video, I will show you how you can make this stylish and easy Ankara bracelet. So you get your elastic band, 1 inch elastic band, you measure it around your hand, then you cut the needed portion, just like I'm doing now. So you take your material, you measure it. I'm using Ankara print. The measurement is 4 by 19. So you measure it, you take it to your sewing machine, you sew it by 1/2 inch. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can use your needle and thread to achieve it. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and don't forget to turn on your notification. Thank you. To my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you to you all for always returning to watch my video, for supporting my channel. And to my new subscribers, thank you. You're welcome on board. And to you who will subscribe after watching this video, thank you. So this is it. After sewing it, you turn it to the right side. Then you use your safety pin to insert your elastic band. Please don't forget to like, comment and share to your loved ones also. So after inserting your elastic band, you take it to your sewing machine and you sew it together. So you sew that part together. So after sewing it, you trim out the excess elastic band. Then you go in with your needle and your thread to close the openings. So you can actually make this in different prints with different materials. So after joining the elastic band, you use your needle and your thread to close the openings, just like I'm doing now. So this is the outcome of the bracelets. If you love making these bracelets with me, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more creative and easy tutorial from Westside Creation. Thank you for always watching my video. Thank you.